Okay, today's joke is not a question. Okay, I'm just going to say it. The past, present, and future walk into a bar. It was tense. Okay, I hope you got the laughing point. The past, present, and future walk into a bar. And it was tense. Okay, so I hope that lightened your day today. We will now do factorial. Okay, first we will revise the idea of n choose r. So as you can see, that will be used in this portion here. Okay, so what does something on top like that mean? It's pronounced as, or it's read as, n choose r. Okay, and there's a special formula to it. So n r like that is n choose r. It's n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. Okay, so we're going to revise what does n factorial mean. Okay, n factorial is you're actually multiplying from the n value itself, and then you're going to decrease and all the way to reach 1. Of course, if you are 2 factorial, you go all the way to 1 in one step. Okay, but if you're 100 factorial, you're pretty much going a long way before you can get to 1. Okay? So when they say n choose 2 is 66, n choose 2 means n factorial over 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial, okay, is equivalent to 66. Okay, so there's no way you can solve for n if you leave it with the exclamation mark, which actually means factorial. Okay, so this exclamation mark is the meaning of factorial. So what we're going to do is we try to make sense of what is n factorial, because there will be a part where you can actually cancel. So n factorial is n times n minus 1, n minus 2. Okay, keep going on. N minus 3. Okay, and we don't know, right? We just have to let it be as 2 times 2 times 1. 2 factorial, however, is very simple. And then what is n minus 2 factorial? We start with n minus 2, n minus 3, and then so on and so forth. Okay, here you should be able to realize that there are overlapping parts. So these are the parts, numerator and denominator, that I will get to cancel. So I'm left with n minus 1 over 2. So this is going to be a quadratic equation. N squared minus n. I'm going to bring the 2 over. So 66 times 2. Then n squared minus n minus 132. After factorizing, get n equals to 12, n equals to negative 11. Okay, now when we are doing binomial or factorial, it's natural that n is positive, so we will reject negative n. So n is 12. Okay, I hope that strengthens your skill in factorial and n choose r.